Gotta be 21 to enter, but it's open to anybody. There's no code on there. Anyways, guys, so yeah, let's enjoy. I didn't really check the time. 4:06. So how long we been here? Maybe 10 minutes? Yeah, maybe another 10-15 minutes, guys, and we should be warmed up enough. I mean, like I could feel all my fingers moving and my bones not cracking like they did yesterday. So yeah, we should be good to go. And we got 18 percentages left on the old battery life. Oh wow. And we got three more battery swaps, guys, for 2 hours of riding. So that should suffice us today. Today it should suffice. See, that's the original. That's the original. And this one, I got as a replacement off Amazon. Here we go again. Now I'm feeling very chilly. See, they got a coin laundry here, guys. They got private showers. Yeah, I'm really getting sleepy here, guys. Yeah, it would be so nice to, like, take a shower. There's a coin laundry. And if there was, a bed somewhere to put your head down for 15-20 minutes, that would be just amazing. Okay, guys, the music's in here. was a right doze off. It was like almost. Hit your head. Yeah, this is good and not good, guys, because that chili was just. Oh yeah, my arm. Beginning of the day is okay. It's only when I put a full day of pedaling into it. Very quickly assess the that was another super doze off right there, guys. I better move around and stand up and walk around or something. Yeah, this is too dangerous. Too much danger.